The guys go, Zion door, go to me,
Why y'all not at school? You made it!
I got a shirt and everything.
Damn!
We take the string pick.
What you doing in KFC?
Right there for the string.
Alright, Chad, let's see if Jamaican KFC banging. That's my dad.
Look here. So you see this?
Hold
Hold on here. Right? It's a mango tree. My
Mango.
grandfather used to come here and write and play him songs. This same tree.
Wait, this tree right
Right
here?
here. So come here and him light him spliff. And him sing the song, I want to disturb my neighbors. Because right over there is an apartment complex. So they used to call the cops on him when he's over here, strumming his guitar. You understand what I say? So this is, you sitting right there, fam.
I'm sitting, wait, this is it.
Yeah, that's that.
Wait.
Yeah. Bob Marley Museum. 56 Road.
Yes, sir!
Legendary.
IShowSpeed, you guys send my shit? Send my shit, please.
Bomba Clan!
Watch me now. It's a Valiant. One of Jamaica's greatest dancehall artists.
Good.
I'm back there. Yo, what are those? Yo, I'm gonna need the easier bike for ride, or do you want to ride this one?
I want to ride this one.
Alright, here we go. I can show you how.
I want to ride this one.
I'm gonna show you how to ride it.
I know how to ride it.
Bike, yeah. Valley.
I know how to ride it.
Heroes and freedom fighter.
Go.
You gonna just let me take your bike, bro? Come on, bro. Hey, listen. Don't ever let nobody take your bike like that, bro. All right, bro. You hear me? Yeah, bro. Get your bike back, bro. Yeah, bro. Don't let nobody take your bike, bro. Get your bike, bro. Rastafari.
Alright, so we're gonna go in here.
Press that exit button for me, please.
It's tough, chat. We in the Wagwan, Jamaica.
Yeah, man, you're in the right place.
Yeah, we
welcome you here.
Thank you.
All right.
We really here in Jamaica. Real talk, like this is my first time.
These are his background figures. It's my grandma, Rita Marley. Inside. No.
Huh?
One perfect grab, you know? One perfect grab.
You said what?
One perfect grab.
Japanese Rasta.
You a Japanese Rasta?
It's a Japanese Rasta. All the way from Japan.
Oh, for real, that's lit.
City man. Yeah, man. Welcome to Jamaica, you know?
Let's get together and be alright. One love. Thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will be alright.
Colony, which is like a vegetable. Breadfruit. Rice plantain.
Okay, which one should I try first?
I think you should go to curry goat and roti first.
Curry goat and roti? Curry goat and roti.
I can do that.
You should. There's no. Well, this is the perfect chance. Some of your choice.
We need Jamaica to win.
We need Jamaica to win.
So what I say? That's what I say? So wait, let me taste it first. Because one, I'm just not trying to clear the ear. I never cooked them 1 year. I never cooked them 1 year, so I don't know what it tastes like. It's not bad. Alright, try this one.
What about the oxtail? What?
That fish is real big.
Really?
Yeah.
Guess what?
Yeah.
Ronaldo's the GOAT.
Yeah.
What's this?
That's breadfruit and color.
Calado? What's that?
Wait. What is the sweetness on it?
He's...
On top.
Try it.
Try it. The curry goats or the callaloo? Which one you like most?
Yo, move out the way of the camera. Move.
This?
Three plantain.
This is good.
That's good.
This? Mix this? Okay. Hear me out. Mix that with the fish. Ooh, shit, I mean a lot.
Yeah, we're not going to give you too much.
Ooh, wee.
This one is Jamaica's famous too.
Check, my stomach might explode, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
This one is like vinaigrette.
Huh? That's good. What's that?
Fried fish and escovitch sauce.
Party. Wait, what is she eating? That looks good.
Watching.
Alright,
Oh, are you going to her food?
What are you eating? Chicken and thighs?
Yeah, curry goats.
Curry goat?
Yeah.
Mind if I take a look? Oh. You mind if I take that?
Now, Speed said Jamaica have the best KFC.
Damn! Hey! Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Now, many online users seen that video say clock that tea. Lord God, KFC price raise again. And $4 by the time we go back in there. Me know them prepare this with extra love. Someone replied, extra fast to know your time. Bro, you're not gonna understand unless you live in Jamaica. You know, just walk going to KFC and just walk come out back. On the ear, capital of the world, number one. The world. Capital of the world. That have a ring to it, you know. But if me gonna say it, then I'm gonna sound a bit narcissistic. We work with the capital of Caribbean for now. Soon see the other Caribbean suck. Best in the world. If I was a Jamaican, I would pay to be Jamaican. Listen, you see, apart from the no one dead hungry, and the one and two patrol them, proud to be a Jamaican. But not lie. So see the other countries, they might come for Jamaica, but they feel this video are gonna humble them still. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Not only Speed, but him father and him crew say the best KFC. And the party make him boom flick. So, you know what I mean? Number one.
What's up, beautiful and amazing people. So guys, in today's video we are going to, we've actually, by this time we've already watched the highlights of IShowSpeed in Jamaica, and now I want to talk about it because it's very interesting, guys. It's very interesting because, you know, I just loved the fact that this particular young man, IShowSpeed, is somebody that really gets along with the people like very, very fast. He is really, he comes close to the people, he interacts with the people, he relates again easily and well with the people, and he loves everybody. And that is what I have always noted whenever he visits any country in the world. And I can tell you that he has been in the Caribbean for the last 10 days, and yesterday, like, okay, according to my time, some few hours ago, not yet 24 hours, he was in Jamaica, and I can tell you it was crazy. I mean, it was crazy. And I just love the fact that, you see, Jamaicans, they not only support so many people in the world, but they do support, like, even the Americans themselves. So my good people, I was really really happy to see IshowSpeed in Jamaica, sitting under the tree that Bob Marley used to go and sit down and try to think about the songs that he was gonna tell the world or sing to the world or send the message to the world. I don't know, the way, personally, I can tell you, I learned so much. I learned so much because, who has even never seen that tree, a video of that tree done by a YouTuber, or, I mean, if it's there, I can tell you that probably it hasn't reached most of us, but with IshowSpeed being there, it has reached to the world. And now when you visit Jamaica, you have a place, a bucket list of where you're gonna visit. Number one, being going to this particular tree and talking about it, discussing it, and being like, yeah, I am there, I am there. Actually, that tree is just close to is in Bob Marley's home. And Bob Marley is this particular singer who sang to the world revolutionary songs. And through his songs, many people go to open their mind and think critically about the world and what the colonizers are doing to us. And I can tell you that it was amazing to see this particular tree that has been growing for so long. And this particular tree is where this Bob Marley used to go sit down and write songs about revolution that used to uplift the spirits of the people. So there is this particular place that IshowSpeed visited, and he was offered so much food, a variety of food. And in that case, we got to see what Jamaica has to offer in terms of food. And it was amazing. It was amazing, my good people. And also the fact that he was able to meet, Jamaican artists, not the young generation, but the old generation that, of which it really makes sense. You are meeting the older generation because, for them, we've known their history. It's also good to work with or collaborate with someone that you already know. You see, the disadvantage of meeting the younger generation, you never know what they can come. You never know what they are going to say. You could, sorry guys, you can actually do a video with them. The next minute, they're in the internet. They're speaking their own stuffs, without even trying to analyze it. Speed has a team that helps him come out with ideas. They plan where he's going to visit, will be taking him through. And that is why most of his videos are actually flowing. Like when he just starts when he starts his live stream, there is a flow, there is a structure. And that's how the video flows. It's not like it's just random. And that really helps the video to be understood well. And it's a positive impact, I can tell you, to the world also. And the fact that I don't know if I attached the clip of him having a freestyle in Jamaica. I mean, Speed is a man of all things. He can sing, he can dance, he can swim, he can play, he can he can race, he can do sit-ups, or is it press-ups? This boy is talented, I can tell you. And if you have such kind of a child, oh my God, you are lucky. Confidence top-notch, speaking top-notch, relating with people top-notch. And, I wonder, at a very young age, how did he learn all these things? Did he really have to go to school to learn this? Because most of the time, when people get famous, popular, there is this kind of pride that comes in, and they don't want to relate to the people. They feel like yeah, these people are below me. But IshowSpeed always wants to relate with everybody. You see the person that most people don't even want to talk to. Yeah, those are the kind of people that he really wants to speak to. And then he goes on his live stream, sees students or pupils in this case from school at 1 p.m. and he gets shocked, like, why are you not in school? Guys, I want to tell you that I also knew that, or was it on a Saturday? Probably. Oh, no, it wasn't on a Saturday, it's on a weekday. But guys, I didn't know that pupils and students in Jamaica go to school from 9 to 1. Like, oh my God, you people are so advanced and developed. The systems, because for us here in Africa, school is from 8 a.m. Like the official time to start teaching is 8 and ends at probably 4 or 3. But now that official time of starting to teach in the morning, it doesn't mean it's the arrival time of the child to school. Most of them, they do go to school by 6:30, depending on the time that they have the bus pickup. That is it. So there is this moment whereby IshowSpeed tried to, I wouldn't call this bullying. Like he wanted to see how a Jamaican reacts when they are bullied. That was it wasn't like intentional, but to teach the world and to teach the young people that if you get bullied, you don't allow that. Because I saw this clip of him going to this particular kid or boy, and this they were just in the streets chilling and talking, and they had their bikes, and then he goes to them, and the boy sees cameras and people, and Speed grabs the motorcycle, and the boy goes, like, leaves the bike. But IshowSpeed tells him that whenever something like that ever happens, don't allow anybody to take your item. You need to speak for yourself. Say no, boy, say no. And that's a lesson is teaching the young people. Don't get bullied anyhow. Fight for your items, say no. And he went to the field to race, but before that he had to go to a Jamaican shop, buy a pair of sneakers for running, not just any sneakers. They headed to the field and raced, guys. He raced against a trained and experienced, athlete. It was amazing. He is showing the world that Jamaica has got talent. Jamaica is the best. And I love it. Who would have known if it's not for these clips, guys? Who would have known? I know there are those that were used to know, but I can tell you, if 1 million people only knew, I can tell you that now it has doubled, which I can tell you that it's a plus. That is a plus to Jamaica in general. So I just loved the fact that, he was visiting each and every point in Jamaica, be it a shop, be it a hotel, be it any historical place. It was amazing. I can tell you that was super, super amazing. And even the way he started the clip, it was amazing. And there was this part whereby he met a Japanese Rastafari. I mean, guys, I know. Some people didn't know about that. Now we know, like, Jamaica as a Japanese Rastafari. I can also tell you that Jamaica does have Chinese Rastafari or Jamaican Chinese. Like China, I mean Jamaica consists of so many people, consists of so many integrated cultures, and that is the beauty of it. Seeing this Japanese Jamaican in the building, it was top notch, I can tell you. And guys, I don't know what you think about Speed being in Jamaica, because this particular young man, a very energetic one, by the way, he goes to the gym, he takes it so seriously. and that is due to experiences that he has been through. You know, when we were starting these streams, he used to do it within America, outside America, and used to get bullied like so much. And for me, I believe that that is what made him to start be strengthening his muscles to be strong, so that at least if he gets bullied, and also you know, being a popular person, so many people come around you, they can try to, you know, in that process of them wanting you, and you know, there is a push and pull, so you need to be strong in this case. And that's why you know, this guy is just that strong. So I mean, there's this guy that told him about his real Jamaican name. You know, whenever Speed goes into any country, and you know, gets into a certain culture within the country, they are given names based on probably when they were born, or the season they were born, or the time they were born. And in this case, he was also given a name in Jamaica, but I didn't really capture it. I don't know if you captured the name in the video. Kindly comment, guys, because yeah, we need to know that. I didn't really get the name, guys, but he was given a name, and that was amazing. You know, he met people like Shins here. They tried a couple of Jamaican food just to show us that, you know, Jamaica has amazing food. And the music, man, that was awesome. Jamaicans were happy, actually. They were extremely happy. Guys, there was this point whereby he was in this studio when Jamaica, that Bob Marley used when he was composing these songs. Guys, I didn't know that by 1980s there were these big studio equipments that were being used by then. I mean, this guy was so rich. And guys, I just remembered something. Him in the KFC, loving it, and then the dad is there and they didn't know. Oh man, that brought a lot and a lot of joy. And the fact that he was just ready to try anything and everything Jamaican, just to promote and showcase the world to the Jamaica, to the world, the Jamaica to the world. It's not like he, you know, in some things he could have said no, but then he just did it for the sake of the world knowing what Jamaica has to offer. You know, I mean, that was amazing. That was amazing. And there was this historic places where it was being taught about the Maroon Iron Lady and the treaty and McGarvey. That was something amazing, because you know, it is history that most people don't know, but by him being in the video and getting these good people to explain to us, it was just wow, guys. I mean, all his videos are always educational. I can tell you, most of IShowSpeed's videos are educational. You learn something. It's not like he just goes to the streets and does streaming. If he decides to go outside and showcase a certain island or country to the world, it must be 100% educational and adds value to, you know, what he talks. He adds value, honestly, at the end of the day. And that's why I loved it. And, you know, Jamaican Rastafari, they do respect Haile Selassie, the emperor, so much. In fact, it is through Haile Selassie that Ethiopia was never, ever colonized. And, you know, the fact that he actually told Jamaicans to come back home to Ethiopia. Guys, there is a town, by the way, in Ethiopia that is like fully Jamaican, and that is courtesy of Haile Selassie. He told them to come back home. He gave them now land. He did something that you call repatriations for free, guys, and many Jamaicans went back. But now there are those that are still like, oh my God, I wish there was something like this. I would, even if I'm told to go back now, I will go. And you know, it was amazing just to see these people, amazing people, explaining to Speed all this history of Jamaica. It was super amazing. I don't know what you think about that, guys, but for me, I can honestly tell you that it was the best thing that Speed ever did. And you know, there's this time that he actually deep dived, and he found this shipwreckage, and he showed us. Like, I had never heard about shipwreck in the inside the ocean, and through Speed's video I was able to see it. And I can tell you guys, already, if you are planning a trip to Jamaica, you already know what you are going to do there. It's not like you no longer have a plan, apart from interacting with the people. You already know where you're going to visit, what you're going to do. Like, it's already there, and it's amazing. It's amazing. I know it didn't showcase everything, because there are those that are deep in the forest, the islands there, but at least we already know what's within the town. And guys, that is it for today. Honestly, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. I'll see you in the next video.